Moving on to this question, how is the stock market behaving today? You see, there are hundreds of stocks listed on the PSX. Clearly, it's impossible to track the movement of the shares of each listed company. So, what is an index in the stock market? Stock market indices are indicators that reflect the performance of the market as a whole or of a certain segment of the market. A stock market index consists of a group of companies whose shares are traded on an exchange. Each index measures the price movement and the performance of the shares of its constituent companies. This effectively means that the performance of the index is directly proportional to the performance of the stocks in the index. To put it simply, when the prices of the stocks in an index go up, that index, as a whole, also goes up. How indexes are formed? An index consists of similar stocks. This could be on the basis of industry, company size, market capitalization, or another parameter. Once the stocks are selected, the index value is calculated. This could be a simple average of the prices of the components. In Pakistan, the free float market capitalization is commonly used instead of prices to calculate the value of an index. The two most common kinds of indexes are price-weighted and market capitalization-weighted index. Indices are an important part of the stock market. Here's why we need stock indices. Every stock has a different price. So, a 1% change in one stock may not equal similar change in another stock's price. So, the index value cannot be a simple total of the prices of all the stocks. Here is where the concept of stock weightage comes into play. Each stock in an index has a particular weightage depending on its price or market capitalization. This is the amount of impact the change in the stock's price has on index value. Price weightage. In this method, an index value is calculated on the basis of the company's stock price, and not market capitalization. Stocks with higher prices have greater weightages in the index than stocks with lower prices. The Dow Jones Industrial Average in the US and the Nikkei 225 in Japan are examples of price-weighted indices. There are also other kinds of weightages like equal value weightage or fundamental weightage. However, they are rarely used. Market capitalization is the total market value of a company's stock. This is calculated by multiplying the share price of a stock with the total number of stocks floated by the company. It thus takes into consideration both the size and the price of the stock. In an index using market cap weightage, stocks are given weightage on the basis of their market capitalization in comparison with the total market capitalization of the index. For example, if stock A has a market capitalization of 10,000 rupees while the index it is part of has a total MCap of 1 rupee, then its weightage will be 10%. Similarly, another stock with a market cap of 50,000 rupees will have a weightage of 50%. Indexes in Pakistan stock market. KSE-100 Index, most recognized index of the PSX. Representation from all sectors of the PSX and includes the largest companies on the basis of their market capitalization. Represents over 85% of the market capitalization of the exchange. ASI Securities through its daily market commentary gives the highlights of the major stocks contributors in 100 index movement. KSE-30 Index. KSE-30 Index introduced in 2006, the composition of KSE-30 Index based on the free float methodology. Includes only the top 30 most liquid companies listed on the PSX. All Share Index consists of all the companies listed on the PSX. KMI-30 tracks the 30 most liquid Sharia-compliant companies listed at PSX. KMI was introduced in September 2008. KMI comprises of 30 companies that qualify the KMI Sharia screening criteria and are weighted by float-adjusted market capitalization. 12% cap on weights of individual securities. The rebalancing of the index is carried out biannually. So let's take a quick recap of what we have learned so far in this session. Stock market indices are indicators that reflect the performance of the market as a whole or of a certain segment of the market. A stock market index consists of a group of companies whose shares are traded on an exchange. Each index measures the price movement and the performance of the shares of its constituent companies. In Pakistan stock market, there are other indexes. KSE-100 Index is considered as benchmark. The KSE-100 Index comprises the top 100 largest and most frequently traded stocks within the Pakistan Stock Exchange. Indexes provide important information for benchmarking and help reduce your exposure to risk. We will cover the subsequent lessons to understand the stock market quotes. Thank you for tuning in with Knowledge Center. If you have any questions or comments to improve this setup, feel free to post comments below. I will see you in the next lesson.